Trains do a few things for me. They remind me of growing up in a little town in Connecticut. It reminds me of my dad taking the train rides with him. So I just enjoy doing it. But it was always something I had to pack up and move around in the Marine Corps till I got here and I could actually spread out. I was in the Marines for 32 years. I came in 1971 and I retired in 2002. How many times did I deploy? I really don't know. I can break it down into major conflicts. You know, Vietnam, in and out of South America, Beirut, Africa. The more deployments you go on, the more things you see, and you're able to push them away. Beirut, I wasn't able to push them away. We were one of the first groups in Lebanon, in Beirut, in multinational peacekeeping. So I was there 82 to 83. I came home, I tried to get back in that unit, and they said, you have to get transferred. So off I went, and then that unit was destroyed. 244 were killed in that blast. When I got the casualty report and able to sit down and see the loss in a moment, they were all gone. When I retired about 5 years ago, that's when it really started to show on me. I mean, I just couldn't sleep. Only shop at certain times. I don't do crowds well.
It's very hard for all of us humans, actually, to ask for help or to realize what kind of help I may need.
I've always loved dogs. And one day, in the train club I belonged to, it was myself and another guy in this enormous train room. And he said to me, "Don't mind me for saying this, but I think a service dog would really help you." And instead of being insulted or get an itch, I said, "How would that work?"
And that gave him the ability to finally acknowledge and decide maybe this would be worth exploring.
So her name is Deedle. She is an angel in the classic sense of being a guardian angel. She watches out for me in ways that I don't even know.
Oh. She is so kind and happy. She's playful. She's incredibly smart. I had given John a gift certificate to have a couple private sessions with one of our yogi friends, Annie, and he loved it.
Just feeling the breath move through, and you might even feel Deedle's as she expands and softens with her breath.
I know her raisers, Pat and Lou. Pat told me I'd take Deedle to yoga with me when I went, so she's very used to that. And they showed me a picture of Deedle on her mat, and I went, "Oh, this is perfect."
Take 3 more rounds of breath here before we shift.
It's beautiful to watch, and she just loves it.
Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.
Namaste. Do you want to get dressed? Come on, get dressed. Give me the leash. Great, let's go. How did I get so lucky? I've got the perfect dog. Deedle enabled me to go to the 40th anniversary of the Beirut bombing. 39 years, I could not go. I went this year. I just feel lucky to have Deedle. She keeps me in the moment.
View every episode of Dogs of Destiny at dogsinc.org/Dogs of Destiny.